Ever wondered about the rich history of England? Our journey begins in ancient times when Celtic tribes inhabited the land we now call England. Picture this: it's 43 AD and the Romans arrive, bringing with them an architectural prowess that gifts us the enduring legacy of structures like Hadrian's Wall. But their influence extends beyond bricks and mortar, permeating the very culture of the region. The Romans left an indelible mark, but the next wave of settlers would shape England even further. As the Roman influence waned, the Anglo-Saxons established several kingdoms during the early medieval period. This era was marked by the influx of Vikings, whose invasions introduced a period of conflict and cultural fusion that shaped England's landscape. Their dominance led to the formation of the Danelaw, a region under Viking control, and their influence permeated throughout English society. The Viking era left a lasting impact, paving the way for a pivotal event in English history: the Norman Conquest. In 1066, the Battle of Hastings marked the Norman Conquest, a turning point in England's history. The Norman army under the leadership of William the Conqueror defeated King Harold, forever altering the trajectory of the land. This event ushered in a new era, reshaping England's political and social landscape. The Normans introduced French language into the courts, restructured the English church, and built castles like the iconic Tower of London as symbols of their power. The Norman Conquest set the stage for centuries of Plantagenet rule. The Plantagenet dynasty ruled England for centuries, witnessing events like the signing of the Magna Carta. However, it was the War of the Roses, a series of bitter dynastic conflicts, that truly marked this era. Pitting cousin against cousin, these wars tore the kingdom apart. Yet out of this chaos, a new dynasty emerged, the Tudors. The War of the Roses paved the way for a new era, the reign of the Tudors. The Tudor era brought about significant changes, from Henry VIII's break with the Catholic Church to the Elizabethan age. This time of religious turbulence and cultural renaissance paved the way for the Stuart era. The Stuarts, though, faced their own tribulations, most notably the English Civil War. This conflict between the monarchy and parliament culminated in the execution of King Charles I, and eventually, the establishment of a constitutional monarchy. The Stuart era led to a period of great transformation, the Industrial Revolution. The 18th century began the Industrial Revolution, transforming England into an economic powerhouse. As the gears of industry turned, the Victorian era dawned, characterized by rapid change and progress. This period deeply influenced England's culture, politics, and society, shaping the nation we see today. From the Victorian era to the present day, England has played a significant role in global affairs. Its contributions to science, literature, and politics have made its history as captivating as it is complex.